Good open water. Down on the main ice. Another windy day out here. This is Lower Jean Lake thing near to Cooper Landing. I got a little tungsten and a piece of shrimp on my jaw jacker rod. I'm going to use the jaw jacker kind of over here by the outlet, hoping to catch some rainbows. I've never really caught anything out of here. It's not that big of a lake, but it's a deeper lake. This spot should be fairly shallow. Right here, it's got to be, it's crystal clear water, 3 foot deep. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna put one down right here. I'm gonna go over here where it's a little deeper and set up another one. Windy, a little rainy. Ain't gonna stop us though, is it? Kind of starting to snow a little bit. Second hole. Hoping it's a little deeper here. The water's darker. It ain't much deeper. No. 4 foot. 4 foot of water. I got a little Cleo on there, golden red. no snow out here. It's been raining like this. So I'm gonna run a dead stick on a jaw jacker and kind of jig. I'm gonna spread myself out and kind of move around until we find some fish. I'm glad I came back. Little rainbow. I'll take it. Gene Lake rainbow. Nice healthy fish. Wow. Well, we got the skunk out of the boat. Now it's time for Grandpa to show up. Well, that's a wrap for Gene Lake. It's just too windy, rainy, crappy. One little rainbow. Next lake.